Welcome back to Customer States. We have a lot of mechanical nightmares to get through, so let's begin. This customer came in stating that their brake pedal sometimes kicks back. Some people compared it to a dog getting their belly rubbed in just the right place. This customer brought in their sports car complaining of a knocking noise in the rear during high speeds. I think we can see why. This customer brought their car in complaining that there was a banging noise underneath the car and wanted whatever was loose to be zip-tied back together for cheap. This customer brought their car in, stating that the car honks by itself every time they turn the headlights on. I bet this caused some confusion on the roads. This customer brought in their vehicle for an oil change and wasn't interested in being upsold on anything else, like new shocks. This customer came in for a brake pad adjustment. When they asked if he wanted to put in new brake pads, the customer stated to just swap around his current brake pads.
Got some Subaru brake pads here. Where's not too bad, right? But like that one could stand to be thicker. So we'll just there. But you know, just in case you want like extra braking, then we'll just there.
This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they just had their brakes changed by another shop down the road and felt like the brakes still weren't very responsive. This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they changed their own oil. The mechanic recommended the customer stay away from servicing their own car. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Customer States to see more.